Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another Shepherd of Junction episode. This is our Easter special. It's a bit different to the usual. There is definitely it's been mainly produced by young Evie here. She's done one of her normal Evie type builds, novelty builds, and then it goes on to something a bit different, which we don't normally do, but it's a bit of fun, and we had a heck of a lot of fun making it. It's been a really good laugh the last few days. We are going to move back on to working on the layout. We've kind of come to the end of our current line of novelty stuff, what with St. Patrick's Day and now obviously Easter. So we're going to do a bit more serious modelling next time round. But in the meantime, hope you like the new video. And
it's got a very unexpected ending.
It's got a very unexpected ending, but we hope you do enjoy it. Before it goes out there, just to say a quick few thank yous. I'm sorry if I'm rushing this along, but I feel the need to talk quickly. Firstly, Locks of Sandwich Cycles, my place of work, for use of the showroom. I'd like to thank Sid's Ice Cream Parlour for the use of their signage, which is great. You'll see in a minute. The local spa, not as in like face washing, but the spa convenience store, who are again very, very helpful. And of course, our lovely friends at Hornby, who were just fantastic as always. And on that note, we hope you enjoy the next film. If you get to the end of it and you really enjoy yourself, give us a little thumbs up and maybe a little subscribe. That'd be fantastic. See you later. Let's go and watch it, shall we?
Yeah.
Bye.
Grab the popcorn. beautiful. I wish you were real.
What's that?
The bunny's escaped.
Bunny's escaped. Honey's escaped.
Look.
Can't escape. Let's go. Ask that person there. Excuse me, have you seen a toy rabbit anywhere on some rails? No? No toy rabbits today. Okay, cheers.
Thank you.
Right, it's at the bike shop. It's gone in the bike shop front door.
It has.
I can see it's gone. Why has it gone to my work?
I don't know. Maybe it's because it's a close place to you. I don't know.
It. Hang on, I can see the track up there. Is the track?
Is the track? Yes.
Follow the track. Follow the tracks.
The bunny. I don't know where the bunny is. I don't know where the bunny is.
Yep. Right. So you made the bunny.
Yep.
You made the wagons.
Yep.
You left it alone.
Yep.
And it's just magically vanished.
There's one more thing.
What?
I said, I wish you were real.
Oh. Oh. Okay.
Maybe it's a magic bunny with magical things in it, and it's like the genie and the lamp, and it said like, "Your wish is my command," and then it fulfilled my wish.
Maybe it did. Maybe it did.
But I don't think that's what I quite meant.
All this bunny hunting is very, very hungry work. It builds up an appetite. Mmm. Oh, that's good ice cream. Cream mega ice cream.
Mmm.
Oh yeah.
There it is.
There it is, right, quick, go. Let's go.
Oh, there you are.
Found it.
Yeah.
Oh, blimey. That's a long way up there. What happens next?
Well, we can go home now.
Go home? What about this track?
I'll see there.
Hang on, but wait a sec. Hang on. Oh, hang on.
Thank goodness that's over.
All done. Never to happen again.
Hopefully not.
Hopefully. Right. Let's have a cup of tea. Let's go.
Okay.